All right, let's take a look at the product badges plugin. So as you create your new badges, you will end up with a little thumbnail here to tell you if you have multiple of them. So you have two options. You can do image or text, all in the same badge. It will obviously make sense to do them separately because you can only have one within, one at a time running. So anyway, you pick your image from your media library. You set your height and width. And then everything from here down, border, your own custom CSS class, the position and the condition, you can do products or sale or whatever you want to do in here. This stuff won't change whether it's image or text. It's all the same. But up in text, obviously, you can choose your fonts and your actual text for those. You can see down here, I've got one that we're just using text. We got the font size and everything. And again, all the stuff down here is the same as it was up here. Regardless of the badge, that stuff stays the same. And I guess we'll add a class name in there, just so we can see it in place. So this up here, you're probably going to use more often than not, but for now, I'm just going to enable that badge and refresh the front here so we can see our badge shows up great. And if I inspect that, I'll make this a little bigger. You can see that we have our class in there. So the reason I added that is if you wanted to keep the sale badge, or actually, no, I'm sorry. The reason that we kept that is because of mobile. So let me show you what happens when you enable the text version. So if I enable our happy cows and I save the settings on desktop, everything's fine. Actually, I put it down there, so let's just say nothing, and we'll say top 0. I wanted to make it look silly so you can see what we're trying to do here. So, okay, so in this case, and I'm going to get rid of the sale badge. If you just check this box here, the native WooCommerce sale badge goes away. So, okay, so this is perfectly fine. The problem happens is when we come in on mobile. So this is a case where you have two options. One option would be to unset the top and make the bottom 0, and we save this, and then that will move your badge down to the bottom. So then on mobile and on desktop, it looks perfectly fine. The other option you have is now that you have the ability to add your own, did we do it on that one? No, we did it on the cow. So on this span up here, we have my Nido class. So you can do whatever you want. Like you can add some mobile styles in there to your style sheet if you want to play around with that. So, all right, yeah, that's it. Any questions? Jump in the website and fill out a form and let us know what you got. Thanks for checking it out.